Unfriended Dark Web is a 2018 horror film. It is directed by Stephen Susko. The main characters are Matthias, Amaya, Nari, Serena, Damon, AJ, and Lex, who all communicate through an online group video chat, which is called Skype. The film follows Matthias, who finds a laptop that actually belongs to members of Dark Web, and he and his friends explore the laptop's disturbing files. They accidentally draw the attention of dangerous hackers who begins to terrorize them one by one. The story takes place entirely through a computer screen, showing how digital actions on can lead on real life consequences. Yes, the film shows several ICT trends. One example is the increasing use of video conferencing platforms, which the characters use to communicate remotely. Another ICT trend is the use of encrypted messaging and secret online forums, which represent advanced communication technologies used for both legal and illegal activities. The film also highlights cloud storage and hidden folders, showing how information can be stored, accessed, misused without the owner's knowledge. These trends reflect how technology is evolving and how people rely heavily on digital tools on their daily lives. Yes, the film shows many internet threats. One major threat is hacking, as the dark web group easily gains access to the characters' computers, webcams, and personal information. The film also shows identity theft, since the hackers use stolen accounts and private data to manipulate or threaten the victims. Another threat is cyberstalking, where the hackers monitor everything the friends do online and offline. The movie clearly represents the danger of the dark web, a place where illegal activities, data selling, and harmful transactions happen without regulation. The lesson that I learned after watching the film is people should be very careful about the information that they share online. And also be careful using stolen or unverified devices that can put you in serious danger. Another lesson is that privacy and cybersecurity is really important in a world where the hackers can access personal information or personal data. Lastly, the movie reminds me that the dark web is dangerous and should never be explored, as it can lead to consequences beyond one's control.